Now it's important that you get down that every XML document that you build has to have certain things in the structure or it's not going to be considered well formed, which means it's not going to work. You'll get an error message. I pointed this out a little earlier, but I want to really make sure that you pick these up here. There are basically about 5 rules that if you'll watch these things, you will do okay with your XML documents. The first rule is that all your tags are case sensitive, and watch for that. We'll talk about tags and elements and so forth in an upcoming video. Also, every opening tag has to have a closing tag. So notice right here, people is an opening tag. Somewhere on here it has to have a closing tag for people. Also, these are case sensitive. Then your tags have to be properly nested. Notice inside people are the husband tags and the wife tags. Inside the husband tags are the name and the age tags. And notice the way things are nested, you can't move one closed tag outside of another. Since name started inside husband, it has to close inside husband. Since age started in here, it has to close in here. If age had started inside name, it would have to close inside name and so forth. So just make sure that you have your tags properly nested. Then, attribute values require quotes. Now, attributes, which is something we haven't really talked about yet, is what this is right here, version equals 1.0. We can actually put attributes on our individual tags, and we'll talk about that in an upcoming video just about attributes. But an attribute can describe something about the tag. It always has to have quotes, and again, we'll talk about this later. One of those things you will figure out. In HTML, you didn't have to put quotes on them, it would figure it out. Then you have to have a root element. Any XML parser is going to have to see a root element, and again, ours is people, and then close with people. If you make sure you follow these basic rules, every XML document in the world is going to follow this particular structure. You may see a lot more of these descriptors up here at the top. You may see a lot more stuff going on here as you're going to see as we go through the course. Follow this structure though, and you got it.